Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make keto pancakes made from cabbage, and that's one of my most favorite vegetables. It's delicious and it's super healthy. So we are going to make a batter to fry this in, and let me show you what that batter looks like. 1/4 cup of water. So let me put it in the microwave and come back. 1/4 cup of brown flaxseed, and I've ground it in a coffee grinder. Let me just throw all of this. You know that flaxseed is high in omega-3 fatty acids. It is high in fiber. It's excellent for you, and I want to show you the flaxseed that I'm using. It is this lighter color flaxseed. You can use any flaxseed that you like. Now, almond flour has a delicious flavor, and that's the reason we're adding that. Let me take 1/4 cup of almond flour, and we are going to break one egg in this. We're going to add half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon paste, and it's low sodium. And then I'm going to mix everything together. I have added warm water because that aids the flaxseed to mix. Also, our chicken base will mix better in hot water. Thin it down a little bit. It's easier to blend everything together when everything is in a thick, pasty consistency. These are washed and cleaned leaves of Chinese cabbage. I'm taking the freshest ones, and I have a rolling pin here. So I'm just going to flatten my cabbage leaves a little bit. I have oil on my pan. I am going to take one leaf at a time. Might want to put a little more of the water because, as you know, that flaxseed will thicken in the batter on the pan. Okay. So the next leaf. And a little bit of oil. You can add a little extra olive oil because olive oil is good for your skin, your long life, your polyphenols, which are like antioxidants. So that's the easiest way to take polyphenols in. Try to use the best quality oil that you can find. And so let me just take off. Oh my god, I'm not even... For the sauce, I'm going to take a few good sprigs of spring onion, and I'm chopping it really fine, and a little more of the green part here, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. These are Korean red pepper flakes or red pepper powder, gochugaru, half a teaspoon. And this is a sweetener of my choice, so I always use this prebiotic fiber, which is slightly sweet in taste, and it's also good for you. Let me give it a mix. So this is a toasted sesame oil. I'm going to add about half a teaspoon to our sauce. This is liquid gold. Also 5 tablespoons of water, and your sauce is ready. And I'm going to show you how we serve the pancakes, so you don't want to keep them as large. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the recipe and will give this a try. It is a tasty and extremely healthy recipe. It's ketogenic, it's Korean, so who doesn't love Korean food? And if I can help you make it a keto way, I'm sure you guys are going to try it out. So let me know in the comments if you like the recipe. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell to every time be notified whenever I add a new recipe.